Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add a phone number in your Blizzard account. So if you want to add phone number in your Blizzard account, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type blizzard.com. Press enter. You can see here you're led to the official website of Blizzard. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, in order to add the phone number in Blizzard, all you have to do is click on your name right over here. Now here you can see several options like account settings, logout, support, shop, etc. All you have to do is click on account settings. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now if you see at the left, you can see several options. At second, you can see option for account details. All you have to do is click on this option. Scroll down. And here you can see option for phone number, and here you can see option for add phone number. All you have to do is click on add phone number. Now you'll have to enter your phone number. Your country's code will be automatically selected over here depending on your location. Now after entering your phone number, click on this box if you agree that Blizzard Entertainment may collect, use and process the personal information you provide above. Now click on continue. Now Blizzard will send you a security code in your phone number. Simply enter that code. Now click on submit button right over here. Now you can see over here phone number added successfully. Your phone number has been successfully attached to your account. So that is how you add phone number to your Blizzard account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.